Hey everybody, Matt Watson, Watson Farms. We wanted to bring you out to the pasture today and show you. We just moved these cattle. They are grazing ryegrass and crimson clover pasture. We're aiming to have a good many of these finished in about 6 weeks time from now, and so they're gaining about 2 pounds a day on this high quality pasture here. So we planted this pasture back in the fall, and it has done well, and it's kind of in prime time now. So this is 100% grass-fed beef in action here. So we also want to give you a chance to see this on our upcoming farm day. If you come out for Spring Farm Day on April 26th from 10 to 2, we're going to be doing some hay rides that will bring you out to this pasture, hopefully, and we'll be able to show you the cattle, the cattle herd live, and you'll kind of see how it works, and we'll talk about the reasons that we use the methods we do, and what regenerative agriculture is all about. So put that on your calendar for next week, Saturday, April 26th, 10 to 2. Come out, and we'll have all kind of vendors here. The farm store will of course be open, and there'll be lots of things for the kids to do, and just fun for the whole family. So make sure to come out, and we'll be able to take you around the farm a little bit on a free hay ride, and you get to learn about what we do a little more and in person. So check us out online as well, watsonfarms.com.